and this is the drawing. Let me show you how I was trying to do it. The scale is 1 inch to 80 feet, and I think if I can tilt it this way, I can get it all on the
Yeah.
page.
Okay.
And I drew this line because that's the direction I wanted to face it. So
Okay.
I'm going to turn off, gonna
Unlock it.
unlock it.
Okay. Now, there you go.
And I'm going to go to view, twist screen,
Yep.
line or polygon or text.
Correct.
And then I'm going to pick this line.
Yeah. And now it does matter which end you pick first. You're toward that end instead of toward the other end.
Yeah.
Since you're toward that end, I think that'll work when it comes up and asks you for the east direction or anyway, go ahead and pick it. And there it says now, use 90 for due east. So just hit enter, then that should twist that around if I understand it. There it is.
Still won't fit.
Well, that just means that at that scale, it won't fit. So if you, let me see here. What the heck is?
Try 100 scale.
Yeah, hang on a second. Let me, yeah, so, let's see. Let me request remote control just in case. All right, so now if you, I'll double click back out of it and I select this and I see that that is 80. Yeah, so you'd probably need to make it 100.
Okay, well, the reason I picked 80 is because there's another plat that the same drawing was done on, that it was 1 inch to 80 feet, and it did fit. But
Okay,
maybe I've just got things arranged. So let me try 100 and see if that'll work.
well, 100 at that rotation, so you might have had one at 80 and maybe the viewport was larger.
Possibly.
There you go. That looks like it fit. Now double click inside it and pan it into place. There you go. Now double click out, select it and lock it. And then of course, don't forget to erase that guideline when you're done with it, but select the viewport and then lock it. Yeah, so what could have happened before, now that I've had you do that, I'm going to go back here.
While I've got you here, let me ask you about the north arrow too.
All right.
Now I need to change the north arrow.
Okay. So what you would do is say double click inside of it. So now you're in the model and you see the way north is going to be rotated.
Yes.
So you want to line you up a line. You want to put a north, or in fact, just go ahead and draw the north arrow here in the model, and I'll show you what to do with it in a minute. So go to your annotate menu and draw north arrow. And choose OK. So now you're going to place it, wherever it needs. Yeah, I mean, yeah, place it somewhere. It doesn't matter where right now, but that's the orientation of that north line. Okay.
Okay.
Now, while you're still in here,
I'll go ahead and delete that.
okay. So now while you're still in the viewport, you want to do a command called change space, which is CHSPACE. There you go. Change space, not change mode. Escape that. Just type CHSPACE and then hit the space bar if you have to. Watch the command line All right, there you go. Now just hit enter. Okay, now, so what you want to do, move is fine because we want to move this out of model space into paper space. So just hit and select the entity to, and move is what's selected. So select the north arrow. Okay, and hit enter to finish. Now it says it was scaled by a factor of 0.01 to maintain visual. So you can select it now. And so now you're in paper space. Now you can move that up next to your other one. There you go. And now what I would do at this point is zoom up there and select yours. What are you getting ready to do?
I was going to rotate it to this one.
Yeah. Okay. So
I would move it first though, right?
yeah, I would move it, get a common point. Like just take that, get the mid, I wouldn't get the tail, I wouldn't get yeah, don't get an offset. There you go, get that point. And then move that to the same point on the other one. Right there. Okay, now you would go select your guys, except here's what I would do first so you can see it, just so when you rotate it around, you're still able to see it, is let's make this bigger than it is right now. Where's my scale is 1.2. Let's make it say 5. All right, so now it's much larger than it in fact, what is it here? That is scale 1. All right, it's a different, oh, I see, it's a different north there. Okay, so now select your guys and move it, and you find that same point again after you, because when I scaled it, I changed the placement. So move it from that inside notch corner right there to the same point. Okay. Now you want to select your same guys and rotate it. And you want to rotate it from that notch point. Okay, now instead of trying to do that, you want to type up at the top up there where it says copy or base angle, you want to type B for base angle. All right, now I want you to show it an angle. So click your notch, click, and then go up to the tippy top and click it of yours, of your little one. There you go. Right, all the way up there. There, get that one. Now show it. So you want to now go up and pick something along that line. It doesn't matter which. There you go. Click. All right, that's done. Now select the big one and toss it away. There you go. You're done with that.
Okay, perfect.
All right, simple enough.
Very good. Thank you, sir.
You bet. So what probably I'm going to guess would have happened is that before this might have been, you know, at a larger size. So when you had that rotated, 80 would have fit. But if you can get by with 100, that's actually a little better nominal scale anyway.
I probably can.
Okay. I mean, because you'll need some room for notes and things like that. So I wouldn't want to crowd it, but you get the idea. The reason, like when you took it from another drawing, something is different, either the viewport size or maybe the size of the paper, or maybe just the placement or something. That's why that 80 didn't quite fit. So
I'm making notes here. I found it very helpful if I write down the date and write what we have
yeah,
done in my notes so that when I go back to look at it, it's not so hard to find.
right. Okay. So that take care.
It does.
All righty, I will send you the link as soon as it posts and
And
it'll,
next time we talk, I should have my new computer and 2 screens.
oh, okay. I thought maybe you were working on it already, but
No, it comes on Wednesday.
oh, lovely. That's gonna be good. Yeah, I'm finally gonna get around to upgrading my version to 2026. I just had my request in just last week, so um I'll see what's new and exciting.
Yeah, I haven't done that yet either. I'll
Yeah,
probably do it when I download the software this time.
true enough. That'd be a good opportunity. So, all right. Well, sir, I will like I said, I'll fix this up when we're uh when the recording does. So we'll go from there. All right.
Very good. Thank you, sir.
You bet. Take care.
You too. Bye.